Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I know it's been a very long time uploading vlogs. So yeah, today finally I am riding to this museum named Payana. So whoever is in Bangalore, they might be knowing the museum. So it's basically a car museum, and it's near to Mysore Road. It's near to Mysore actually. So we are just heading there. I hope it will take around 2 hours to reach there. So I'm expecting moderate rainfall because the climate is like so much dull. The climate is so dull, and yesterday night too it was raining too much. I was in a doubt that whether I should go or not today. But yeah, it's pretty good. Till now it was summer, and that's why I never used to go on rides, because riders know obviously like we sweat too much inside the riding gears. Yeah, that is the reason. Today it's very cool, and I'm loving the climate actually. So let's hope it goes out well. And as usual, I have to fuel up tequila. I'm heading towards the petrol bunk. Always our favorite Indian oil. So let's feed up tequila. Well, to put 95. Hey guys, the time is currently 10 a.m. and I'm still near Vidhan Sauda. So from here I guess it will take around maybe around 2 hours to reach there. So let's hope it's not filled anywhere. I mean, the water is not filled anywhere, and there is some function going on. I don't know what is this. Okay, I guess they are opening that new statue over there. So till now it's going on good, but it's a ton of traffic obviously. So let's hope there's no traffic ahead. I mean the Mysore-Bangalore highway. But yeah, obviously they'll not leave bikes in the expressway, so I have to take the service road as usual, which I hate the most because there are many speed breakers. Where is she coming? I seriously don't know why do they ride like this. These people don't see the mirrors only. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇದೆ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಹೆಸರು ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಂತ. ಅದು ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಗಾಡಿನ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ. ಅದು ಹಳೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಫುಲ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗುರು, ಯಾಕೆ ಕಿರ್ಚ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸರು, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Bangalore outskirts, it's like too long. So now I'll be reaching that flyover, which is this guy is irritating me. So now I'll be reaching that flyover, which is an entrance of Bangalore. Yeah, this is the one which you're seeing ahead. So after crossing this also, it will take a while. So let's see how long it will take to reach the museum. Some Gina, Senorita, I don't know why do people put those silencers. Those sport silencers, sport bike silencers, they are so sweet to hear, but these kind of modified silencers and the existing silencer, it's like worse. Hey guys, here is an update. So I just had my breakfast over here in this dosa camp, and here is tequila. So I'll be leaving now. I'll be leaving to the museum. The time is currently 11:05. So let's hope we'll be there at 12 or 1. Oh, see the scenery. So currently the time is 11:53, and I'm not sure where I am. I'm just riding, and that museum is it's very close by to the expressway. So I hope I'll see that. So I didn't put the map too. I'm just riding. The climate is a little bit in the hotter side, even though it looks like dull. It's a bit warm. The humidity is more. Okay, there's a diversion. I'm not sure where it will lead to, or where should I go. Ouch. Sir, Mysore? ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ? ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಂ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Okay, there was a diversion, but the board over there stated to go straight. So I don't know what's the confusion over here. They could be just putting the diversion over there, stating it's left. I just came here. I stopped because there was some sound coming from my bike. So if I see, is this one? The sari guard has become loose. The nut over here, so I don't know like where to go and tighten it. So we adjusted, but look at this beautiful spot. The water over here, it's so good. Finally we have come to that museum. That is the museum over there, like a tire shaped one. So the entrance, I'm searching the entrance. I don't know where it is. I guess it's crowded, pretty crowded. The museum is open from 9 AM to 8 PM all 7 days. And speaking about the fee, it's $50 per person. And if you carry a DSLR or a GoPro and you want to film inside, then you have to pay 100 rupees extra. And for kids below 12 years, it's free, but they have to show their ID cards. height of this.